Hello guys and welcome back to TechWolf and to this Windows command line course. And in this tutorial we are going to explore another command, which is md command. And to start, let's open a command line. In search type in cmd and hit enter, and this will open a command line in user mode. And as you remember from previous tutorial, we created manually this folder, my folder, and md command is exactly for that purpose. It is the command which allows you to create folders or directories. You can call them however you want, whether a folder, whether a directory. You can create folders and directories in that path where you are in. As you can see, currently I am in my Marty directory, but if I would want to go to my desktop where I am located now, I will make this command line window a little bit smaller so you can see what is happening when we are executing these commands. So first thing what we will do is, currently we are in users, Marty, but we want to navigate to our desktop, and we will use change directory or cd command, which we learned in previous tutorials to go to our desktop. So type in cd space and desktop and hit enter. And now we are on our desktop. And if I type in a command dir, which we also learned in previous tutorials, you can see all directories or all folders which are currently here on our desktop. As you see, we have images and we have my folder, and these are also reflected here on command prompt, images and my folder. And now we will use another command, which is md, and this command stands for make a directory, and we will create a directory. And to use this command md, all you need to do is type in md, then space. You can give this folder any name as you want. I will call this folder new folder. You can call it, like I mentioned, anything you want, but this md command or make a directory command will create a new folder in that path where you are located. As we are located on desktop, then by typing in md space and we are giving a folder name and hitting enter, it will create a new folder. So let's hit enter, and as you can see on our desktop now there appeared another folder, which is new folder. So md command is basically used only for creating empty folders. Now let's go into this my folder, which we created in previous tutorial by using GUI or graphical user interface. If I click in there, you can see that there is currently located also one file, my file, which we created also in previous tutorial. So let's navigate from our desktop to next path, cd or change directory, into my folder and hit enter. And now I am in Marty desktop and in my folder, which is located on desktop. And if I type in here command dir to see what is in this my folder, you will see that there is currently this my file.txt. But let's open this folder up, my folder, so you can see what will happen if you also would want to, for example, create an empty directory in this folder. To do that, firstly, before I even do this, let's clean the screen by typing command cls, which we also have learned, and hit enter. So we clean our command prompt, and let's create another folder in this my folder where we are currently located. To do that, also type in a command md space, and you can give any name of your folder what you want. I will call this folder new folder and hit enter. It also created here a new folder. So the main purpose of the command md is to make a directory or to make a new empty folder anywhere where you are located. As we are located in desktop and in my folder, it created this new folder.